friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we'll do an unboxing of the latest smart band from Infinix in India, the Infinix Band 5. So this is the new Infinix smart band which has been launched in India. We don't know the pricing as of now. So this is the band. You can see that it's a really colorful brand, and this has a colorful display as well. So this is the Band 5, and what all functions and features it offers, that's what we are going to talk about. So we can see the back of the box mentions colorful IPS display, IP67 rating is there, smart notifications for calls and messages, heart rate monitor, continuous heart rate monitor is there, sports tracking, and sleep monitor is also included. Now, other than that, it has all the functionality of a smart band, including motion data like steps, calories, distance, and you can check out how much exercise you have done. And it has a colorful display, as you can see in the front of the box. It has a 0.96 inch colorful IPS display. It's vibrant IPS display, and icons are also redesigned, and it also comes with continuous heart rate monitor, which tracks your heart rate continuously and start vibrating once it crosses a defined heart rate. Then a notification on the band, you can do call reject, call reminder, then SMS reminder, app notifications for WhatsApp, WeChat, FB, Insta, etc. Then there is sleep monitor, record the quality of sleep, and alarm clock to shake to wake you up. Then you have IP67 water and dust resistant, and one charge can last up to 23 days. That's what Infinix claims. We have not tested it completely because we have just received it couple of days back, so we need some more time to test it out whether it lasts 23 days. But in our initial usage, we found that it is quite good. Now, control the camera with the band. That means if you want to take remote shots using a smartphone, you can control the camera with the band. This is available in a lot of smart bands. Then sedimentary reminder, that means if you're sitting for quite some time, it will ask you to move from your position. Then raise hand to activate. That screen will automatically light up every time you raise your hand. That's again available on all the bands. So this is available in three colors: black, blue, and the red color. So we have the red variant with us, and this can be paired with the new Infinix Life 2.0 app. So we'll also talk about that app in a while. So this is the box package. So let's just open the box package and we'll show you the band first. Now, one important thing about the band is that you don't need a third-party charger. You can, since it's a USB charging. So first let's take the band out. So that's the band. So you can see that it looks really nice. It's a stylish band altogether, and we have this 0.96 inch display. Then the band we have is the red one, and you can see that the strap quality looks pretty good. It's a matte finish strap, and the quality of the plastic material used is really good. We have the heart rate sensor at the back of the device. So let's just show that. So there you go, that's the heart rate sensor and the Infinix Band 5. Now let's talk about the display. So this has a 0.96 inch display. It's an IPS LCD functionality. So this is the main display, and you can just tap on it. There's a button below the display. It's not a touch display actually. You can't actually move with the display. Instead, you have to touch at the bottom. So here we have the steps taken, then the distance travel, the calories you have burned, the heart rate sensor, the training mode. If you just press and hold, you can see additional training options like walk, running, riding, skip training, and then a lot of options are there. Then next would be in training. After that, messages, so you can connect it, and then functions include some additional options like smart band info, reset the band, and then turn off the band, and find me option is there. You can increase the brightness of the display. So this is not the full brightness, but it's still a visible display. So that's the light brightness option. Then you come back to the main screen. So in the main screen we have option to show the clock, then we have the heart rate value, then date, time, and the battery percentage is also shown here. I mean the battery capacity is also shown. Now if you press and hold at the home screen, we have a couple of options. We can see that customize the band. This is one, this is another one, and there is one more. So these are the three watch faces available, so you can change them by pressing and holding the home button. So that's the smart band. Now let's see how to charge this. So you can see that there is an option to pull this out. So once you pull the top portion, you can see that this is the USB charging mechanism. You can use this to charge the band. You can use it in any USB slot in laptops or the regular chargers. So that's one convenient option. You don't have to carry a third-party charger because most of the bands have their own proprietary charging. So that makes things difficult. So that's the band. Now let's also have a look at the new app, the Infinix 2.0 app, and how to pair it. So we are just worn it on our hand. You can see that it looks pretty good, and you can choose from additional colors as well. So we have the black, red and blue color. So this is how it feels on hand. So it's a pretty good smart band in terms of the build quality, looks, and the display quality also looks really nice. So this is the app actually. So you can see that steps taken, sleep and heart rate can be shown here, and we have this option for sports mode, skipping, cycling, walking and running. So those things can also be configured. Then we have added the device, so you can see a smart alarm clock, a reminder, app reminder, sedentary reminder. Then so make sure you download the Infinix Life 2.0 app. That's a different app compared to the previous one. The previous one does not detect the band. The new app will only detect the band. Now you can also see the on-screen time, and the universal settings are there. Then you can see your profile as well. So these are some options in the band. So it looks like a pretty good band in terms of the features being offered. You can see that it has quite good looks, and the display quality also looks really nice. So that's the Infinix Smart Band 5. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the red subscribe button for more videos. This is Umal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.